let me show you a little something about layers that will help us with the next tutorial. If you notice, when you try to move some objects around, they may be hidden by other things. So for instance, if I take this home and I want to put it on top of this gray menu bar, it's behind it. And the reason is because I created the home first, so it sees this as a lower layer. Now if I want to change this, I can go over to this layers panel, and all I need to do is make sure that the home is above that menu bar. So see menus here, and now home's here. And so now it is above. Yeah, so you would get something similar here. If I wanted the square above, that rectangle above, I take this rectangle that I named. I just need to make sure it's on top of the circle, and that will do it. So you make sure that your home is on top of this menu bar up here, because we're about to do something with it in the next tutorial.